I'm going to show you how to make a spear gun out of some skewers, a Coke bottle, and a balloon. Cut the tip off of it. Doesn't matter how straight, crooked. Take that cap off. Put your balloon over the cap. You want to hold this. You want to hold this right here good and tight. And put your skewer down in there. We're going to go outside and show you how to shoot it. Shut it off. Here's a stick. You got it. Pull it back. Why ain't it sticking for you? You pulling it back hard enough?
Well, I'm gonna try it one more time.
When you let go, let go. Let go of that thing. Damn, it ain't sticking for you. Try it from there. See if you can get one to stick. What the hell? You got all them dull ones. Go get some new ones.
New one?
No, yeah.
Let's go.
They're all dull. Those are all the ones we shot already. And try a new one.
Hold on.
Try some of these.
I got one. I'm gonna try two at a time.
See what happens.
Oh, that was a good one.
They both shot though.
Yeah. Let's try that again. That's good. Dang it.
Let me see it.
One more try. We used 4 this time.
All right, turn.